Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with a kit that I made for dAFi, Disabled Artists Foundation, and it's a little Clothespin Angel Kit, and what you're going to make is something that looks like this. So I just wanted to show you, give you a walkthrough of what you'll get in the kit and how to put one together. So you're going to get 3 of these wooden clothespins in your kit. I went ahead and painted 2 because I just wanted to show that that's an option that you could do, so you don't have to use the the plain wood. And then you are going to get some various lace pieces. You've got this piece of white, and then this piece of mint green is in this kit. Then you've got some pretty flowers. We've got some little peach stems, and it looks like some bigger peach roses, a little rosebud, got some more of those, and then you've got leaves, and these particular leaves, there should be 6, 2 for each clothespin. These have like a peachy mint greeny color on them, and then you may or may not have some of these little silver plastic or metal, like their wedding rings that you would use for a baby or wedding shower. You may have some of these, and if not, you may have a silver bow tie instead. It just depends on which kit you receive. So I'm going to show you what you can do with these. You already see the one little clothespin angel that I made by just gluing the lace and the flowers on. But I'm going to show you again to see what, the steps you would take. So the first thing that I did was I glued on the piece of lace that I wanted for my skirt. So I'm not a fan of measuring, so I just kind of do an approximate measure. And keep in mind you're going to be making 3 of these skirts, so make sure you have enough lace. But I do believe you have more than enough in your kit. So I'm going to cut off a piece of lace. And then using whatever glue you have on hand, I'm going to use my hot glue, but you could use Elmer's or Aleene's tacky glue. You're just going to start, and I start at the back so the seams will show on the back. And I'm just going to apply a little line of glue and just start with her skirt in the back here, and then just follow that all the way around, overlapping a little bit onto the edge there, and then just pull her little skirt around, tuck it like that. So you've got her little skirt glued on. And then you've got 2 different kinds of lace. So you've got the little white piece that can kind of be like a double layer of her skirt. So you're going to repeat the same process, putting this little white piece over top to kind of give her a double skirt. So we'll cut a little piece of this. Do the same thing. So these are really quick and easy, and you can make 3 of these in no time. So same thing, start in the back, and I'm just going to glue directly on top of the little edge of the green. And just, I'm going to do the same thing, go all the way around again, gluing right here on this top piece of the green lace. Okay, so we've got her double skirt, plenty of glue strings to peel off. There we go, so that's her little skirt for our angel. And the next thing we're going to do is work on the back with the wings. So I'm going to take 2 of the leaves, and I'm just going to snip off these little wire ends. You don't have to do that. I'm just preference to do that. And then I'm going to put them so they're green ends together and backwards on the back. You want the front to be, the front of the wings to be facing the front of the angel. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on the bottom wing, kind of space those out so they look like angel wings, just like this. And then we're going to glue this by putting a little dab of glue across the front. And we're going to put that in the very back where our skirt is, just like so. And just hold that down for a minute so you get a good fix. Be careful, don't burn yourself. And this is just the way that I've done it. You guys can be creative and put them together any way you want. So then we're going to take one of the big roses. Again, I'm going to cut off this piece that's sticking up off the bloom. And we're going to give this a really good coat of glue in a circle, kind of right around where the plastic piece is. We're going to put this right in the middle, covering up where we glued the wings together, just like so, and hold it down. You've got our super cute little angel here, and you can adjust this obviously. If you don't like where your wings are, you can take it off and glue it again. You can move your rose. I'm okay with that. And then there's some little extra rose buds. I'm going to go one step further and cut off a couple of those. And I'm just going to put those, give a little glue, and put those on the sides so they show a little bit in the front like this. And then on the other side, just so she's got some little flowers showing in the front of her as well. Trying to cover the green, but that's okay. They don't have to be perfect. And then the final step is taking one of these metal rings, and you will have to bend it by hand, and they bend very easily, so just be careful because they can break. And then you're going to place it on her head and then just bend it so it sits at an angle on her head right here. And then you have our cute little clothespin angel. And if you are so inclined, which I'm not a painter by any stretch, you could put two little black dots for eyes, little pink circles for cheeks. If you wanted to give her a face, you could embellish it more, adding trims or stickles to your flowers. And then if you wanted to hang her like as an ornament, you could just put a little piece of looped ribbon glued down here with the flower so she could hang. So these are just two ways that you can make your quick and easy little clothespin angels from this kit. So I hope you enjoy it. Happy crafting, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.